So, some of you are probably wondering where the Indian Chieftain is, especially after seeing him, out of all people, own an Indian Challenger. Well, he bought an Indian Challenger. And the Indian Chieftain, we're just going to have to, I guess, address that at another time. But what you're about to see is, I guess, the day that we went to get the Challenger in its entirety. So, yeah, enjoy it.
Is that it? I wonder if this is the one. It's a good question. I'll find out. Oh.
You gotta roll it out there, get you a picture taken with it. We gotta sign your paperwork.
That's right.
So let me finish getting this stuff out, Jared.
Alright.
And I'll let Randy know you'll get
It's Purdy.
Yes, it is.
Oh. It's Purdy. See, they got these on hold. They don't even have the windshields on these.
Some on Rick.
Huh?
Yeah, some on Rick. Oh, no. All of them new. Okay, all of them new. You know, they used to keep the record.
They used to people, but they put right now. When you see something like this, this is correct.
Yeah, this is a record. Yeah.
Oh, that color, man. Look at that pink flakes. That's
in 10 days.
10,000 miles in 10 days?
No hotels. You have to sleep by your damn bike.
Oh, wow.
I don't I ain't that hard.
You ain't that hard.
Well, that's what they call a hook ahead, right?
Here, Jared.
What's that mean?
Hey,
Yeah.
look, Bernie.
Oh, you got the lights on there?
You got my cigar. Hey, yeah.
That's interesting. 10,000 miles in 10 days.
Yeah, that's
19 cheaper.
Well, here's the thing. I was actually in Canada calling you.
Beautiful.
Didn't get down with that mess, huh?
So
I mean, this is you. It's something you claim, man, and it's a good looking bike.
Hey, I noticed the bars on it is mad. When they, well, the chicken came.
You got gloss.
The weird way it worked out okay. And
I will
Got
say,
gloss in some areas and matte in some areas.
it do look better than your last bike.
Oh my goodness, really? Anything looks better than the last one.
Yeah, yeah.
Does it look better than that bike?
Nah, it's my bike.
Are you happy, sir?
Of course.
I got the keys attached to the brake line.
Okay.
It'd be a great way to test it out riding this far. This is gonna be a great way to test it out riding it back this far.
Yeah, I just got my dark horse.
You want to drag your big music box out, you?
So some of the scars I got kind of.
Have much to do because every once in a while they give me like some address corrections.
Oh yeah, that's the better sign. This is the sign that I'm more used to.
Yeah. Hold on one sec. We got one other thing.
Yeah, we gotta get the tag off her shirt.
Yeah, do that.
I just want to take a picture of my shirt.
Hey, y'all better be glad I ain't got this sucker lit up. It'll be...
All right, folks. So this is the bike. This is the Challenger. This is Jared's new 2020 Indian Challenger. Bearded Bobber. You're now a twin to Bearded Bobber because he has a white one. Wait, doesn't Rod and Fish have a white one too? So yeah, you're a triplet. You're a triplet to Bearded Bobber and Rod and Fish.
That's right.
But no, these
And tall.
you can't.
Well, he don't have one.
Well, he had a red one.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong with white. I love the white.
White is all right.
White is all right. There you go. Hashtag white is all right. Yeah, beautiful bike. But now it's time for
Food.
the ride home. Oh, food. Yes, food
Yes.
first. Food first. Then ride home.
Liquid cool.
Liquid Cool. You haven't been with a Liquid Cool bike since the 109, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he had the 109 just like I have, and he went to the Indian Chieftain, which was air cooled, and now he's back. But Liquid Cool, you always go back to Liquid Cool. Always go Liquid Cool.
It's stock. It's stock for now.
For now. Oh, they raised them up pretty good then. So they raised the handlebars up.
After he sits on it, let me know if he wants to change it at all.
Okay, yeah, that'll probably be. That's,
Can't go up any higher, but we
right. He'll probably be fine with that. Yeah, I told him because he told me to let you know if you needed them redone. But I figured that's right where you wanted them as high as possible.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there.
Cause I asked him, they recommend doing
Sometimes you gotta
Yeah, I see what it could have touched if he had went in higher. Okay.
wait for the catch the bike.
Now see, that's what I'm talking about.
Hey, Jerry,
It'll get you home comfortable,
Yeah.
right?
Look over it 3 times.
Trust me, you really got to stand in front of him and get his attention. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What's in them KFCs?
Oh yeah.
I pulled that throttle back, that's what, see now you can tell the difference when a person really rode a bike, I rode it now. Because see, when that bike, when they let us borrow it off the floor, I wasn't hitting it like that. Man, that's my...
Yeah, but you still got to do your first service here. You might as well do your first service when you get the bars installed.
Probably wait and put this on because I think it might act the fool if I put it on there and then try to get down here to get the tune on it.
It will.
Yeah, it's gonna act the fool.
Definitely require the calibration on it.
Yeah. So I probably just wait till get y'all put it on and do it all like that. But that feels so good. And I got these long arms too. Oh, that's it, buddy.
I love that bike, man.
I ain't gonna lie. I see why you don't touch that road, but dude, I see why. Because it's so comfortable. God. I got that windshield just came in today.
How are these?
Yeah.
I'm sorry?
How are these?
I love them.
The big ass, what they call it? The big ass cover? Yeah.
What is it? A big ass cover?
Yeah.
Where did you order it from?
03D.
03D.
And they just come out with a new phone mount that, the same phone mount, but it'll charge your phone without any, see how I got this cable?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready, Blake.
Ready?
Yeah, how you doing? I'm sure we did, man. Yeah. Brother, we'll see y'all later, man.
Yeah, man.
All right.
I'll get too old to throw a leg across.
Man, them balls look so damn good.
Yeah. See if this thing will start up, Brandon.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I said I want you to take a picture of me with the you know, my helmet's over there. Why?
This windshield is so clean, so clear.
All better?